In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Google AdSense number. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to earn revenue through website monetization with Google AdSense. It's a process that can seem a bit daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you through each step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's start at the very beginning. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the official Google AdSense website. This is where your journey to monetizing your website begins. Once you've arrived at the site, the next step is to sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, not to worry, Google makes it quite easy to get signed up. But for our current purposes, we'll assume you're ready to go and just need to click the sign in button. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure to use the email associated with your AdSense account. This is usually your Gmail account, but it could be any email you've linked to Google services. Once you've successfully entered your email, you'll be asked to input your password. It's important for the security of your account to make sure your password is strong and unique, but also something you'll remember. Upon entering your credentials and accessing your account, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Google AdSense dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for everything related to AdSense. While it might look a bit overwhelming at first, with a little exploration, it'll start to feel like home. Your next step is to click on the Home option, usually located on the left-hand sidebar or at the top of the page, depending on updates to the Google AdSense user interface. Once there, you'll see an option that says, Tell us about you. This is Google's way of getting to know you better so they can tailor your AdSense experience to your needs. Click on that to proceed. Here, you'll be asked to enter various pieces of information about yourself. This step is crucial as it ensures that your account is personalized and secure. The details you provide aid Google in understanding who you are and what sort of content you might be producing. All of this information plays a role in how advertisements are deployed on your site and, by extension, how you earn revenue. After providing Google with the necessary details about yourself, the next step is to add your phone number. This might seem like a small detail, but it's an important aspect of verifying your identity with Google. Enter your phone number in the designated field and then click Send. Google will then send a verification code to your phone number. This is a form of two-factor authentication, ensuring that it's really you accessing and making changes to your account. This step is not just about security, it's also about opening communication lines. By providing your phone number, Google can send you updates or alerts concerning your AdSense account, keeping you informed of any changes, policy updates, or opportunities to optimize your ads for better performance. Once you've successfully entered your phone number and verified it through the code sent to you, you've completed the process of verifying your Google AdSense number. While it might seem like a lot of steps, each one is designed to ensure that your experience with AdSense is tailored to you and secure from unauthorized access. Starting a journey with Google AdSense is an exciting venture that can lead to profitable outcomes if managed correctly. Remember, the key to success with AdSense is not just about how many clicks you can get, but also about ensuring that the content on your website is engaging, attracts the right audience, and is aligned with Google's policies. By carefully following the steps we discussed today, you've laid the groundwork for a successful partnership with Google. We've covered quite a bit today, and I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of verifying your Google AdSense number. With patience and attention to detail, you're well on your way to monetizing your website and generating revenue through Google's extensive advertising network. If you found this guide useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials on navigating the digital space.